Hello everyone. So let me do some more practice using the ad-hoc command. Suppose I just want to know the uptime of my both the client machine. So how we can do that? I'm sitting on the control node and I just want to know what is the uptime command output from both of my client machine. So simply I have to use Ansible. Dev is the name of the group in which we have both the clients, and then you have to use module. So module, I'm going to use command module and -a option. So I just want to fire uptime. That's all. So I have got the output. So this is the output of my client 1 and this is client 2. Let me check the IP address. So for client 1, this is the IP address. And for client 2, this is the IP address. So here we need to understand one thing, that for communication between your control node to the client machine is being done by Ubuntu user, which is a normal user. Let me try to execute a command which requires the sudo privilege or root privileges. So let me check the status of firewall. So we know that if a normal user will try to use this command, it will not provide you the output. And in the error, it is saying that you need to be root to run this command. So what is the solution for that? So coming back to this PPT, and we'll try to explain you. So from control node to client machine, it is going to use Ubuntu user. But we know that for few tasks, it requires root privileges. So what you can do here, for the communication, it should be using the normal user. And once the communication has been established, it should elevate its privilege from normal user to the root user. And then it is going to fire the command. For that, you have to use this option, that is --become. This time I will get the output. It is saying that on client 1, the firewall status is inactive. You can cross check. So here you can see I have logged into the system as root. That's why I have got the output. Let me log into the Ubuntu, and if I'll try to fire this command, same error will get. You need to be root. So first it has communicated with the client as a Ubuntu, and then elevated its privilege from normal to root, and then it has fired the command. But here you have to keep in mind that the user, that is Ubuntu user, or whatever the user you are going to use, it must have sudo privileges. So how we can do that? I will show you in the next lecture.